Day number 62, of feeding my pet seagull to gain his trust.
Hey bitch.
Hey buddy, for the past 2 months, we have been trying to get him inside the house, but sadly every attempt has either ended in failure, or rabies. But I love my little buddy, so I'm never giving up.
What you building, buddy?
Just a little seagull balcony.
Will it take long?
Maybe a little. Suck on this while you wait. Out with the old.
And in with the new.
She's so sturdy.
Like a Chrysler.
I've trained you so well. Oh my god. He's doing it.
More please.
And back.
Divine.
I'm so happy I could cry. Well done, Steven. You've made these past 62 days worth every second. You're growing up so fast. And I truly cherish every day we get to spend together.
Shut up, bitch.